Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hello if you're new. Make sure that you subscribe. That way you'll never miss out on another video like this one. Again, this one is a really fun, exciting one. We're going to be talking all about lava rocks, which is what I have in my hands right now. These are lava rocks. Now, there is a very powerful quality about this to manifest. It's very related to earth energy and also fire energy, of course. And you can use this in your advantage in your purse and your wallet, near your bedside, for love spells, for protection, for money, for road opener, success. And I'll teach you guys a few ways to use that in this video. So if you guys are interested, stay tuned. But before we get into it, I do want to let you guys know I have an Etsy shop and I sell all types of powders and oils and herbs and candles and a lot of things for your spiritual needs. And then I also have a book on Amazon, which I'll link down below, and on Patreon. If you guys join me on Patreon, I have a video every single week about the week ahead. So with that being said, let's get into lava rocks. You guys, this is really, really fun. This is really exciting. It's a really fun way to manifest. So let's get into it. The first way that I like to use lava rocks is basically, well, let me show you first real quick what it looks like. It's very, very lightweight and it's very porous, so it absorbs energy and even oils, which we'll get to. But I have a bowl right here, and this is what I like to do. I like to light my incense, and then I like to just stick it into my lava rocks, and it helps to catch the ash, and you can stick it in there. And yeah, that's the first way you can use it. And another thing is that lava rocks are born of fire and earth. And you can use it to burn incense because it heats the rocks up a little bit. And it's for calming the energies in your house, grounding the energies in your house, and for protection as well. And another thing you could do is if you take a brown piece of paper bag, rip it into a square, right? You put your name, your birth date, and then your wish or your desire, and you roll it towards you. And you just stick it in there. And then you just keep lighting your incense in this like normal every single day. The next thing I want to share with you guys is use lava rocks with a black obsidian. Now, these, I'm fortunate enough to have these like abundant in the area that I live. But if you guys can get your hands on it, you can get on Amazon, or I might even start selling these soon. If you guys are interested, let me know in the comment section. But black obsidian with lava rocks is really, really good for protection. And if you guys have my protection oil from my shop, you can add protection oil. You could add it to the obsidian. You can add it to your rocks. But keep this near you, especially when you're sleeping, if you have a lot of nightmares, near your front door to keep evil eye and negative gossip away. And just around the four corners of your property, one lava rock and one obsidian, if you can get your hands on it, on each corner of the property, north, east, west, south. Okay. The next way I want to teach you guys how to use lava rocks. This is a really nice one because you don't have to worry really about the candle wax getting everywhere because the lava rocks, you can like kind of wash it away. It will get into the pores and stuff, but that's kind of good because you have your work and your ritual, the energy of it going into your work. And as you do that, the aura of your work just keeps building bigger and bigger. So that's a good thing. But what I like to do is keep lava rocks like in a fire safe bowl. And then here I have my money oil from my shop. And then I have a chime candle. So what you want to do is you can douse the money oil on the candle like this, right? You can also inscribe your name and your date of birth on it. And then what you're going to do is just stick it into the candle. And this is like much safer than just doing it like that, right? And then what you're going to do is take some of that oil. You could do this for protection, for love, for success in business. Whatever your intention is, you use the candle color according to that, and then you use the oil according to that, and then you douse it on top of the lava rocks. And then you're going to light this candle, let it burn all the way down, and that's it. You can keep lighting candles on your lava rocks like this. And once it's all done, what I would do is just put it back into the earth. Like bury it or put it in like a potted plant or something. You could keep reusing it for a long time. The next way I want to teach you guys, this one's a really fun one. So if you guys suffer from joint pain, muscle pain, or like tension, stress, or just want some easy, quick way to relax, you have to be careful with this, okay? So you're going to warm up a little bit of oil. I would like warm up one of my oils, my Love, Protection, or Money. Plus I have a bunch of other ones coming real soon in my shop. But you can warm up oils like that, or if you don't want that, you can warm up essential oils like lavender or coconut oil, olive oil even. Just warm it up a little bit, and then you're going to pour it onto the lava rock. Make sure that it's not like too hot. You have to be real careful with this. And then you're going to put this on the areas of your body where it hurts. It's like heat therapy, like heat oil, lava rock therapy, and it's supposed to be really, really good. People have been using it for a long time, and it makes sense because the rock doesn't get too hot unless the oil is really hot. So you have to gauge that, and then I feel like it's going to be really nice, like on a cold day, even not just for pain, but even just for relaxing or even meditation. And the last way I want to teach you guys how to use lava rocks is to put lava rocks in the north area of your home, specifically with some money oil on it. Okay, north area of your home rules the financial section of your house, your stability, your finances, your money, wealth, career, all that. So you want to keep, even just keeping one, just infuse it. If you don't have money oil, you can infuse it with coconut oil. You can infuse it with olive oil, grapeseed oil, or even almond oil. Those are really good abundant oils because it gives abundant like fruit. So this is to ground your money to your life and to ground your money to your property. So again, lava rocks with money, oil, or if not, you can use whatever oil you want. And this is going to go in the north section of your house.